everyone, my name is Tracy Borchert, and welcome to my course, Working with Project Managers and Project Sponsors. I am a Senior Advisor in Leadership, Project Management, Change Management, and Corporate Culture. This course is based not only on project management best practices, but the examples are similar to scenarios that you will come across in your professional career. Project teams often fail because of the lack of clarity around the roles and responsibilities of the project manager, business analyst, and project sponsor. In this course, we will not only review each of these roles, but we will talk about the different deliverables that they are responsible for, using project scenarios to help you understand the material. I will also give you some tools that you can use with your project team starting today. Some of the major topics that we will cover include project, program, and portfolio definitions, organizational goals and objectives, the roles, responsibilities, and relationship of the project manager, business analyst, and project sponsor. And finally, we will review the project deliverables, including a business case, charter, business analysis plan, and many more. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the role of the project manager, business analyst, and the project sponsor, but you will also appreciate why their relationship is critical to the success of the project. This course is a beginner-level introduction to basic concepts in project management, so no previous experience is needed. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn more about these critical roles in a project team with the Working with Project Managers and Project Sponsors course at Pluralsight.